Hello guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel Yashpal Spoken English. Again I welcome you, and today I am going to speak about the Jyoti Maurya. I think you might have seen and you might have heard about the Jyoti Maurya. I think she was born in वाराणसी September 9 1990, मतलब 9 सितंबर 1990 को. शी बिलोंग्स टू, as we all know, she belongs to be a very poor family. And when she got married, that time she completed her graduation. So after completing her graduation, she got married to Alok Maurya. When she came to Alok Maurya's house, so she was very excited to start her further study of PCS. So she requested her husband Alok Maurya because she wanted to complete her study of PCS. Alok Maurya accepted, and finally Alok Maurya got her admission in a coaching of PCS in Allahabad, Prayagraj. Finally, and she started to live in Prayagraj, and after completing her study of PCS 2015, she became as a SDM by UP government. And after being SDM, you know that if you selected in Indian Army, if you become a railway employee, so you get happy suddenly. But you can imagine that if someone becomes SDM, so it is a good achievement for their personality. And you know that after being a SDM, she given the credit only her husband and her father-in-law. And finally, you know that. And if we talk about in second step, if we talk about her husband Alok Maurya, four type of employee, cleaners, just like and so finally, and when she became that time, after many years, till many years they were living happily. But one day a lady called to Alok Maurya, and she said to him, "You control your wife because she was affair to my husband." So finally, that time Alok Maurya was very shocked because they were living happily. But finally, he decided to follow her, and one day she took permission to Alok Maurya to go to Lucknow for her personal meeting. And finally, after so Alok Maurya given her permission to go to join the meeting. And finally, when she left away from house, so he also followed her. And when after leaving the house, she reached the hotel of Lucknow. So finally, that hotel was booked in ID of Manish Dubey. He was a home guard commandant. And finally, she and if we talk about her boyfriend Manish Dubey were stayed in that hotel. And finally, because that time Alok Maurya kept on waiting them till morning. Alok Maurya kept on waiting them till morning. Finally, in the morning, when they checked out from the hotel, so he caught them in hotel. And finally, Alok Maurya asked her, "Who is that person?" So she finally, because that time she had no any excuses, so she spoke the clear. And she said to her husband, "He is my boyfriend, and finally I want to take divorce to you." And you know that after that what will happen, आपको पता है इसके बाद क्या हुआ. And finally Alok Maurya filed the complaint against his wife Jyoti Maurya. And if we talk about because this news was very latest in India, and many type of news just like Delhi flood and Seema Haidar, but it was a latest news of India, Jyoti Maurya. And after after increasing this news, I think each husband stop टू कंप्लीट दियर वाइफ्स स्टडी। प्रत्येक हस्बैंड ने अपने पत्नियों की पढ़ाई रुकवा दी। एंड फाइनली यू नो दैट कॉज ईच पर्सन इज़ नॉट इक्वल, each person is not equal, but finally you know that if someone cheated us, so you know that we lost the trust, हम अपना विश्वास खो देते हैं। एंड इट इज़ ट्रू। एंड फाइनली because Alok Maurya complained, and finally she also took the action against her husband. And finally I think if we talk about a court, so took the decision against Manish Dubey and Jyoti Maurya. So if we talk about a present situation of Jyoti Maurya, so I think Manish Dubey has suspended from his post, and Jyoti Maurya also suspend for her post. Alok Maurya has won in this fight, and so I am requesting it was only video, but you know that, and I think we should not lose the trust to each other. So okay guys, how did you see, how did you feel the video after watching this video? You must have to tell me. So I'll meet you soon with my next video. So thanks a lot.